Good afternoon all. Today we will discuss what is a transformer. Transformer means this is a transferring energy from one circuit to another circuit without changing frequency. Okay. This is a basic constructional diagram of a transformer. See. This is a core. This is a primary winding. सेकेंडरी वाइंडिंग. हम लोग नहीं बोल सकते कि दिस साइड इज द प्राइमरी साइड एंड दिस साइड इज योर सेकेंडरी साइड. दिस इज नॉट फिक्स्ड. व्हेन द सप्लाई इज कनेक्टेड टू एनी सर्किट, व्हेन द सप्लाई इज कनेक्टेड टू एनी साइड ऑफ द कंडक्टर, एनी साइड ऑफ द वाइंडिंग, दैट साइड इज योर प्राइमरी वाइंडिंग. प्राइमरी वाइंडिंग. एंड व्हेन द लोड इज कनेक्टेड टू द सर्किट, when the load is connected to the winding, let's suppose this is RL, parallel load, then that's what is the secondary winding. And this is your laminated core. Laminated core. Transformer means not transferring energy from one coil to another coil without changing frequency by mutual induction. This is very important. This is a mutual induction. See, this is a mutual induction concept is there. Mutual induction. First of all, when we are supplying here a AC supply. AC supply we are considering this is VS, this is primary side voltage, or VS, that is the voltage supply we are connecting to the primary side. Let's suppose the voltage is there, that means obviously there will be a current is there, primary side voltage. Let's suppose this is your V1 and this is your S1, primary side voltage and primary side current is there. Basic concept is what? This is the when the voltage or current is transferring one circuit to another circuit without changing frequency and by mutual induction. What is mutual induction here? Mutual induction is this is flux is mutual. Okay. When suppose how flux is created, how flux is induced in this circuit. Okay. Let's suppose this is a imagine this is a voltage supply we are giving, primary side voltage. Obviously this is an AC voltage. That means this is a change in nature, changing voltage. Obviously current is there. That current is also your changing current. Changing voltage is there, and that's why here changing current is also there. And we know when the current is flowing through the conductor, when any current is flowing through any conductor, then there will be a magnetic field is created. When the current is flowing through any conductor, the magnetic field is created. Magnetic field means that is magnetic flux is created through this conductor. This conductor में हम लोग का magnetic field created है. This is a flux is created in this conductor. This flux is carried out through this laminated core to the secondary side. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे let's suppose air का हम लोग का permeability, air permeability of air is 1. Let's suppose laminated core. Let's suppose this is your silicon steel. This is made up of the silicon steel, which is इसका हम लोग का permeability let's suppose 1000. तो जिसका permeability ज़्यादा होगा, जिस मटेरियल का permeability ज़्यादा है, वहाँ हम लोग का flux will pass through this. So let's suppose this magnetic flux will pass through this laminated core to transfer this magnetic flux from one circuit to another circuit. This is the mutual induction. Here mutual induction is the flux is mutual to both primary side and the secondary side. Okay. Now this flux is here in the secondary side. Okay. What is Faraday's law? Due to this concept of Faraday's law, what is Faraday's law? Faraday's law is when there is a relative motion in between magnetic field static device. Static device means static means constant. Two types of machine is there. One is rotating machine and then one is static machine. Rotating machine means what? जिस मशीन में हम लोग का रोटेटिंग पार्ट्स आते हैं. Means what? In generator or generator and motor, where the armature part is rotating. Means armature part is rotating in the generator and motor. But in case of transformer, there is no rotating part. Transformer में कोई हम लोग का rotating part is not there. So that's why we can call it is a static device. तो अगर यहाँ पर rotating part नहीं, पर due in Faraday's law